On Monday, the 7th of November, leaders of the Hynniewtrep Youth Council or HYC, that included the organization's Vice President Donboklang Kharlyngdoh, Assistant General Secretary Basaiawmoit and President Shillong City Lyngdoh, were summoned by the investigation officer of the Sadar Police Station with regards to the incident of 2021, wherein members of the Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organizations or CoMSO, of which HYC is a part of, had protested outside the Meghalaya Secretariat in Shillong to demand from the MDA government the implementation of the inner line permit in the state. Speaking to reporters, the Vice President Donboklang Kharlyngdoh informed that the three leaders have been booked under sections 353, 341, 506 and 34 of the Indian Penal Code and Section 6A of the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act 1947, which prohibits, restricts or imposes conditions upon holding of processions, meetings or assemblies by a class of persons or organizations whose activities, in the opinion of the state government, are subversive of law and order. The HYC Vice President added that such action by the state authorities will not quash the spirit of courage amongst members of the organization in their fight for the rights of the indigenous people of Meghalaya.
Kenrai andang layuk ban keli ban perthoba kiong ba kadon ka kes ke jong phi house na mar kuai te ki long ba kata ka kes ke jong phi ke long ba philalet ban storm yitka Meghalaya Secretariat te kila klish board ke ish phang jong ta te tang we ngajubab shiki ke long ba ki kes lani ki issue ki bo per ki bangi kum ka Hynniewtrep Youth Council HYC lani jungkui pat hapo ki we pat kilama ladang ngimlet ban halang ngimlet ban perta hang te hapo ketika yang jong pai ba House of People Secretariat hang nung ngimlet perta tengah priang ia ke ba nakliang jongi ngilalech Secretariat hendrai ngam ken mau syu katarik ka bakano sunam bakano hendrai pipi de bet ken mau kum pai ba manu bala penlongi bangile pos Secretariat ngatrai baru ngi ken mau yosnya mereka kendai bala pas ya ke resolution jong ILP de hendrai arya kendai arpho arphuwe mencep sunam ngila am kam shumladan taka jingbudien jongki ya ke bam kidon kat tu peningut ki the representative people representative yang bangin lek the delegation oron rupong chipo Delhi ro ki thamialam tengi nginom hon tang masih pas resolution ringi kwa bakumbang lai i kamadipur mo dang hi kinet snam beladam kalayo ya ketika an ban perkengi ke juan roi ban toj ki barjela ka LP tengi ringi kwa lang ke te bangi kwa lang de kata ka jingjak len long bangilait hang dei ban hala ban penken mau ya ka sarkar jong ke MDA ba aino ia kata ka LP lani Malaya le ayu te ka LP ka bam Malaya kular ban lek ban budin Delhi te ka de hi kamat ya ka ba la syakot hajiringi ki kendon hang ni kidon under section 353 341 506 bat 34 IPC bat kini ka section 6A Mmpo Act te kini gidi ki kendon ya ka ba la pengat ingi komki noi lam jong ka HYC habashi ming ni jigit kle hi ngang owat ukuli ngapri kan mau phi hakapor bangilech po rajbhawan ukuli salet napo kani ka syarikat ke jonga tinggi ngem don jikting don kuli don lathi don ying bendi hengi ngila jumat ro yak ying bendi jadai la dabam ngingem lelai tang bat im ke je benri kata long kadai ka nong rem jungi komunai lam HYC nginom ting nginom khau e phi penting ro ngim ting hiro dikata ketika ka message ka bang kwa ban Aisyah borok khoj kinoi lam jong HYC wat chigi wi par inoi lam sik balang